Today we'll be doing exercise 4.2. In this video we'll be taking few different questions of exercise 4.2. Let's see question number 7 of your book. It's question number 7, first part. Okay, so it's given. Question is same as in the first video of this exercise. Factorize the following. Question is ab square plus a minus 1 b minus 1. Okay. So first step is we'll open the given bracket here. Okay. So it will be ab square plus ab minus b minus 1. Now as you can see we have 4 terms here. We'll try to group it. Okay. There is no hard and fast rule. Okay, we'll group first to these first 2 terms, or this first and second third term, or second and fourth term. This is why little observation and practice you will come to know which 2 groups we need to group. Okay, let's try out. Let's see. Suppose we make group of these 2 terms 1 and these 2 terms. Okay. Now as you know, the first rule of factorization is to take out common. From the first group I can see AB is common, so I'll take AB common, and what is left here, B plus 1. Okay. Now from the second group I can see minus 1 is common, so I'll take minus 1 common, and I am left with B plus 1. Okay. Now very easily you can observe if B plus 1 is common in the 2 groups. So we'll take B plus 1 common, and we are left with AB minus 1. Okay. Now let's see another question. It's question number 8, second part. It's given x square minus x a plus 2b plus 2ab. Okay. So I can see, okay, there is how many terms are there? 1, this is second, and this is third. In all these 3 terms there is no such number that is common in all the 3 terms. Okay, so first step will be to open the bracket. So I'll open the bracket. What do I get? X square minus xa minus 2bx plus 2ab. Okay. Now again I'll make groups. So let's make group of these first 2 and these second. Okay. So from this first group, what is common? I can see x is common, so I'll take x common. What is left is x minus a. Okay. Now in this second group I can see 2 common, I can see b also as common, so I'll take minus 2b as common. What is left in this one? X, and here I am left with minus a. Now in these 2 terms what you can see common is x minus a, x minus a. So our step will be taking x minus a as common and writing remaining as it is. Okay. Now let's try question number 9. Question number 9, first part. Children, star mark this question. As you are doing these questions for the first time, you may find it little difficult to do it. So star mark this one. 9th question, first part. It's given AB x square plus y square minus xy a square plus b square. Okay, what I'll do, I will, okay, now see, two groups are given. Okay, two groups are given, and if you observe, there is no single term that is common in both the groups, so that we cannot take out anything common from this group and this group. Okay, so what I'll do, so my next step will be, I'll open the brackets. I'll open the brackets. So I'll multiply this one, abx square plus aby square minus xy a square, this minus will be multiplied here also, minus xy b square. Okay, now we have to form the groups. Now children, it's quite obvious that we are not going to form the groups of first and second term because already they were together. Okay, now we'll change the terms to make a group. Now if I make this first and third one as one group and this second and fourth one as second group. Okay, let's see what happens. The first group is AB x square minus xy a square, right? And my second group is AB y square minus xy b square. Okay, see, this is my first group and this is my second group. Now see, can you think of what is common in the first group? I can see a common, I can see x as common. Okay, and rest of the things I'll write ax common, what is left is bx, and here ay. Okay, and in the second bracket I can find b common and y common, so I'll write by common. What is left in the bracket? ay minus b I have taken, y I have taken, so I am left with bx. Okay, now you observe, this is bx minus ay and this is ay minus bx. That means there is a difference of minus sign. So what I'll do, I taught you in the previous video, when we have similar terms but there is a difference of sign, we take out minus 1 common. So here also I'll take out minus 1 common. So ax bx minus ay minus by, it's bx minus ay. Okay, now I can see this bx minus ay here also and bx minus ay in the second group also. So my next step will be, I'll take bx minus ay common and I'm left with ax minus by. Okay, this is little lengthy question, right? You need to practice it 1 or 2 times. Okay. Now let's take question number 10, second part. It's given 3x square y minus 3xy plus 12x minus 12. Okay, now children, if you observe, you will find here we need to apply the first rule of factorization, that is taking out common. See, this is 3x square y, this is 3xy, this is 12x and this is 12. So first we'll apply taking out 3 common. So taking out 3 common, I'm left with now x square y minus xy plus 4x minus 4. Okay, now after this we'll form groups as we were doing in previous questions. Now I'll make group of these two terms as one group and these two terms as the second group. Now see what is common. 3. Now square bracket. From this first group I can see xy common. What is left here? X, and here minus 1. Now here what is common? 4, and what is left is x minus 1. Right. Now in these two groups I can see x minus 1 common, so I'll write x minus 1 as common, and I'm left with xy plus 4. Okay, this is 3 into x minus 1 xy plus 4. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is the end of this question. Okay. Now let's see one more question. It's question number 11. Question number 11. It's given a square b plus ab square minus abc minus b square c plus axy plus bxy. Now see how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here also we'll do grouping. See, this is going to form group 1, this is going to form group 2, and this is going to form group 3. Now let's try to take out common. From first group what is common? A, B, and we are left with A plus B. Okay. Now from the second group I can find minus B and C common. Now I am left with A here, and in this second term I can find B common. Okay. Now from this third group I can see xy common, so we'll write xy, and we are left with A plus B. Okay. See what we have done? 6 terms were given. We have made groups of 2 terms each, and from each group we have taken common. Okay. Now see, now we are reduced to 3 terms here. See, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now we have 3 groups. Now as you can see, from these 3 groups I can find A plus B common. So A plus B common. Now we are left with AB minus BC plus XY. Okay, clear? Now this ends up with all the difficult questions of exercise 4.2. Children, factorization is not only to learn for our syllabus, it's very important in real life also. That I'll going to tell you in the next video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.